The second half of 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling season for drone enthusiasts, with 3 highly anticipated DJI models rumored to be on the horizon: the DJI Neo 2, DJI Avata 3, and DJI Mini 5 Pro. Each represents a different corner of DJI's lineup, yet all promise significant upgrades over their predecessors. The Neo 2 is expected to retain its ultra-light sub-250-gram form while delivering a bigger battery, smoother stabilization, and a sharper 1 to 1.3-inch sensor. The Avata 3 looks to raise the FPV bar with blistering 140 km/h speeds, a larger 1-inch sensor, and AI-powered tracking features for immersive, cinematic flights. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 Pro could be the boldest Mini yet, potentially packing a 1-inch sensor, 4K 120 FPS video, and advanced obstacle detection into a folding frame. Together, these 3 drones showcase DJI's drive to push boundaries, whether your passion lies in portability, FPV adrenaline, or cutting-edge aerial imaging. The camera systems across these 3 drones showcase DJI's commitment to delivering professional-grade imaging in increasingly compact form factors. The Mini 5 Pro emerges as the clear imaging champion with its impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor, representing a significant leap forward in sensor technology for the Mini series. This larger sensor promises exceptional low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and professional quality footage that rivals much larger camera systems. The inclusion of 4K recording at 120 frames per second positions the Mini 5 Pro as a serious tool for professional cinematographers and content creators who demand the highest quality output. The Avata 3 follows closely behind with its own 1-inch sensor upgrade from the previous generation's 1.3-inch sensor. This enhancement brings substantial improvements in image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions where FPV pilots often find themselves operating. The Avata 3's ability to record at 120 frames per second, compared to its predecessor's 100 frames per second, opens new creative possibilities for slow-motion sequences and dynamic aerial maneuvers that FPV enthusiasts crave. Meanwhile, the Neo 2 takes a more modest but strategic approach with its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, representing a meaningful upgrade from the original Neo's 1/2-inch sensor. While not matching the imaging prowess of its larger siblings, the Neo 2's camera improvements are perfectly aligned with its target audience of casual users and social media content creators. The upgrade to 4K at 60 frames per second from the original's 4K 30 frames per second capability ensures smoother footage and more professional-looking results for everyday use. Battery life and flight performance remain critical factors that often determine a drone's practical utility, and each of these upcoming releases addresses power management differently. The Mini 5 Pro stands out with an impressive 36-minute flight time, representing one of the longest flight durations in its class and surpassing many larger professional drones. This extended flight time makes the Mini 5 Pro particularly attractive for professional applications where mission completion and efficiency are paramount. The Avata 3 offers a respectable 25-minute flight time, which represents a meaningful improvement over the Avata 2's 23-minute duration. While this might seem modest compared to the Mini 5 Pro, it's important to consider that FPV drones like the Avata series prioritize agility and performance over endurance. The Avata 3's maximum speed of 140 km/h compared to its predecessor's 97 km/h demonstrates DJI's focus on delivering thrilling flight experiences that push the boundaries of what's possible in civilian FPV flying. The Neo 2's 20 to 25-minute flight time, powered by a 1606 mAh battery that's 12% larger than the original, represents solid progress for such a compact drone. The improved flight time addresses one of the main limitations of the original Neo, while maintaining the sub-250-gram weight category that makes it accessible to users worldwide without additional licensing requirements. Each drone embodies a distinct design philosophy that reflects DJI's understanding of diverse user needs in the modern drone market. The Neo 2 maintains its palm-sized form factor and ultra-lightweight design, making it the perfect entry point for newcomers to aerial photography. Its compact folded dimensions of approximately 130 by 90 by 50 millimeters ensure maximum portability, while the enhanced propeller guards with double-layered full-coverage design prioritize safety for inexperienced users who might be flying in confined spaces or around people. The Mini 5 Pro represents DJI's vision of professional-grade capabilities in a consumer-friendly package. The inclusion of forward-facing LiDAR and omnidirectional infrared vision sensors demonstrates a commitment to advanced obstacle avoidance that enables confident flying in complex environments. The gimbal supporting 225-degree movement, including vertical shooting capabilities, opens creative possibilities that were previously reserved for much larger and more expensive professional drones. The Avata 3 maintains its focus on immersive FPV experiences with refined aerodynamics and enhanced compatibility with DJI's latest accessories like the RC Motion 3 controller and Goggles 3. The transition to 4-blade propellers suggests improvements in efficiency and noise reduction while maintaining the agility that FPV pilots demand. The integration of artificial intelligence and smart features varies significantly across these three platforms, reflecting their intended use cases and target markets. The Avata 3 leads in AI integration with ActiveTrack 6.0, representing the latest evolution in subject tracking technology. This advanced tracking system uses improved algorithms to maintain lock on subjects even during complex maneuvers, making it invaluable for dynamic content creation, where traditional manual control would be challenging or impossible. The Mini 5 Pro's advanced sensor suite, including LiDAR technology, positions it as a leader in autonomous flight capabilities and obstacle avoidance. This technology, typically found in automotive and industrial applications, enables precise distance measurement and environmental mapping that dramatically improves flight safety and enables more complex automated flight patterns. The Neo 2, while more modest in its AI features, benefits from DJI's latest O4 transmission system, extending its range to up to 10 kilometers under FCC regulations. This substantial improvement in connectivity ensures reliable control and video transmission even at extended distances, addressing one of the key limitations of ultra-compact drones. From a market perspective, these three drones occupy distinct niches while collectively demonstrating DJI's comprehensive approach to the drone market. The Neo 2, likely to be priced most affordably, targets the massive casual user market where ease of use, portability, and regulatory compliance are primary concerns. Its sub-250-gram weight eliminates registration requirements in most jurisdictions, making it accessible to the broadest possible audience. The Avata 3, with rumored pricing between $1,200 to $1,500, positions itself firmly in the enthusiast FPV market where performance and immersive experiences justify premium pricing. The substantial improvements in camera quality and flight performance over the Avata 2 suggest that DJI is responding to increasing competition in the FPV space while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in civilian drone racing and aerobatic flying. The Mini 5 Pro represents the premium consumer and prosumer market, where professional capabilities in a compact form command premium pricing. The inclusion of features typically reserved for enterprise-grade platforms suggests that DJI recognizes the growing demand for professional quality tools in increasingly accessible packages.